Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Long time no chat. If you're new here, my name is Megan.
I'm Bree.
And this morning is Monday at 8:22 a.m. And we're bright and early. We're off to the BMV because I have to get a new license. I've been holding on to my California license since we've been here, and I guess you could probably tell them a story when I'm in the B&B if you wait in the car.
Yeah.
You want to give them a story?
Oh, yeah, I can tell. Yeah. What happened, yeah.
Yeah. They're basically out looking for me. No, I'm kidding, but
they have nothing
not really.
else better to do with their time.
Brie will tell you this story, but we're on the way to the B&B because I got to get an ID. And then we're doing a grocery shop for the week because yesterday we went to the baseball game with my dad because his company gets tickets seasonally. So yeah, we had a fun time. It ended up going into more innings because they were tying, and then they could have came back and won, but they blew it.
Yeah, they lost.
But the experience was fun. So we didn't do our grocery shop Sunday, but we did clean the house. So we're excited to have a fresh week, but we're gonna get on with it. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm glad you're here, and I'm happy to vlog. I haven't vlogged in like two weeks or so. I've been working on some fun stuff though, and putting out a lot of yoga content. So
yeah.
Anyways, hope you enjoy this video. All right, guys. Well, the BMV was a flippity floppity because one of the documents that I brought wasn't valid enough for proof of residency. So, oh well. No worries, we're off to the grocery store. But the story time is that Bree was driving our car and got pulled over, and the cop was like, do you want to say it?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I got pulled over. I wasn't even doing anything, like, you know what I mean? I was driving like a granny. And anyways, so he pulls me over, was looking in the car first, which was weird, and then pulled me over, and then sat in the car and was like on the walkie for a minute, and then he came up and he was like, oh, I forget what he said. He was like, you have your license? And I was like, yeah. I was like, what's the issue, you know, like asking because I wanted to know why I was getting pulled over. And he was like, well, we'll have to see. Guess we're gonna find out or whatever. Giving me attitude, and I was like asking nicely, but whatever. And then he takes my ID, looks at it, and then he was like, we're looking for somebody with an expired license tied to this tied to the plates,
which is me. And I mean, my
like,
license isn't expired, but in the state, I have a California ID, and in the state that we live in, they require you within 30 days to get a new license. But I haven't, to be honest, I just haven't wanted to let go of my California ID. One, because I like it, and two, I just like it. I don't know any way else to say it.
You also got like the federal one, so that's...
I know, and I just got it last August and I got the real ID, and I got it last year because my license actually was expiring on my birthday, and so I went through everything in California to get my license renewed. And so I'm like, I don't want to get a new one in 6 months, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so we're dolled up for nothing on a Monday. We're looking pretty just to be pretty today.
That's okay.
And that's okay. You know, look good, feel good. So we're off to the grocery store.
Okay, what's up?
Hey, we're back from the store, obviously.
So the best thing literally just happened at Costco. They had the La Colombe, however you pronounce it, cold brews.
No, that's right.
Yeah. These cold brews, each of...
Guess how much 2 of these costed.
Like at the store?
Okay, ready?
Individually?
3, put it in the comments what your guess is.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Now what was it?
For one of these, just one of this 2-pack, $4.97. So I got 2.
And typically, one of these at the store is like $7.99, or think you get a latte from Starbucks or cold brew from Starbucks, $7-8. What 2 of these is $4.97.
Okay, so this is like 42 fluid ounces. How much is this? This is 48 ounces.
And that was $9.99 at the store.
Right.
I mean, that's homemade, but when we bought those jugs of cold brew, the chameleons, they were $9.99.
And the bag of beans that I get to make the cold brew is like $20 for like almost 3 pounds, which that will last me probably
like a month,
month and a half maybe, because I'll make one of those basically, and that'll last me like almost a week. Yeah, it's like pretty much a week. So then I'm like, wow, this is like $8 versus $20 for a month.
And it's nice to switch up something new because Bree
I can't
is
get over doing the cold brew every week.
Yeah, and also Bree's beginning a new job, which is really exciting. And so they'll have like a Monday through Friday standard schedule. And so sometimes I think this might be nice on nights that you're not going to want to make the cold brew.
Yeah.
So if you don't have a Costco membership and you have a Costco near you, this is your sign you need a Costco membership. Bree was like, we have to tell the vlog.
I'm like in such disbelief that happened today. I was like, how is that possible? Crazy.
Do a taste test.
Just do 3. I usually do 4 for mine.
Perfect. Bree already had coffee, so.
I'm like shaking. You can't tell, but. Is it good?
Yeah.
Good
it's
sweetness?
Really good.
All right, let's see. Ooh, that's good. It's like,
I like it. It's smooth.
mine have been not bitter, but mine have been like really bold.
Bold, yeah.
I would say, because I use an espresso blend, and then it's like I use a lot of water to kind of counteract it, so it's not a concentrate. Like I want it to be. I've already talked about it in the vlog, but lately I've also been doing it on the countertop, which makes it even more bold. And yesterday you like tried mine, and you're like, "Ooh, you need more sweetener in that." I was like, "I think it's good," but I like bold.
Which I usually like when I used to drink coffee. If you guys, I drink a lot of matcha now, but when I used to drink coffee, when I would have drip, I would drink it black.
That's really good though.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
I like it too. You don't even use that much milk either. Perfect.
Well, go ahead and try it because it's. Hi yogis, welcome back to my channel. Today's yoga class is a 10-minute ab focused class. Hi guys, I have the window open so you can probably hear it outside, but our AC is actually down right now, so the windows open are a must with the fan. And then look who's with me. Look who's with me. Yo, Georgers. Anyways, it is 3:48. I am working in Bree's office. I've been loving working in here because I film and work over in my other office, or in my office. so much. It's been a nice switch up. Before Bree starts their job, they're gonna be working full-time from home. And so I've kind of just been enjoying the office until Bree's in here. So, and I love it. It's such a nice space. But it's 3:45. I don't know if I said that. I've been basically editing, working on yoga and YouTube and stuff like that. And I actually wanted to share something with you guys that I think is really cool, because usually in my video descriptions I always share with you links to certain products and things like that that I'm either mentioned in the blog or that I'm wearing. I always link for you guys, but I started this Shop My account that I've seen from a few other creators that I follow, and it's actually really convenient and nice. Yeah, it has all my favorite things in one place that is linked for you guys, and I'm excited to show you. I've been working really hard at it, and it's not 100%, but it's basically ready, and I have it linked in the description now for you guys, as well as if you follow me on Instagram, it's in my Instagram description and things like that. So it's just really convenient and I'm loving it so far. I'll show you guys. So here's what it looks like. It's called Shop My, and I have tabs up at the top for links to Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. If you don't follow me on those sites, it's just easy to follow me there. And then I have beauty, my closet, yoga, YouTube, TikTok, and then these actually don't show when you're the user or the guest on the site. But for like beauty, you click on there. And then I have my skincare must-haves, so just click right on here. Then you can see all my favorite things and just go right to them, and you can purchase them or just check them out. But I have some things for like yoga, my must-haves for yoga, mats, bolsters, water bottle, all sorts of things like that, which is really nice. And then I'm gonna start making, I have my clothes staples that I love, but I think I'm gonna start making like a weekly wish list of things that I just like because I love fashion. And then for YouTube, like if you go to my newest or most recent vlog, you can watch the vlog as well as linking all of my, here, let me pull back. I've also linked similar things that I wore in the vlog, as you can tell, my little outfit right there. And then I've linked similar things. Obviously, some of the things I thrift, obviously, so I just try to find things that are similar for you guys if you're interested, or like some of my style pieces. I just wanted it to be able to be really easy for you guys to find similar stuff, because when I'm a viewer of people I love, I really enjoy seeing where they shop and stuff like that. So this makes it really easy. It's in the description for you guys, and yeah, I'm really excited about it. I'm getting hungry. I think Bree's almost back home, so I don't know what our plan is for dinner. We meal planned. I mean, we set out what we want to make for this week, but I don't know what we're gonna choose for tonight. That's something that we love to do, is we plan at least 4 to 5 meals for the week, and then we just decide each day what we're in the mood for. But it really helps cut down on going to the store and buying excess stuff. But yeah, today's been super productive, which I'm really happy. Glad it's Monday, and I'm also just like happy to be back vlogging. You can probably tell I'm super chatty, but I've missed you guys, and yeah. Good morning, guys. So, started off my morning. I'm in the office now working. It's 10, but I just wanted to pop in here and tell you guys about this book. I always film recaps. My hairpin back doesn't look weird. I always film monthly book recaps, and I'll link the playlist in the description because it will probably be out before this video. If not, the playlist is linked in the description. But I finished this book last night. You guys, I think that this might be the best book I've read this year. And I've read a lot of good books, and every time I think I've read one of my favorite books, and then I'm astonished. Somebody recommended this that I follow, that's a book reader. I think it was Keaton Milburn. She's like a famous, or not famous, but famous to me. She's a YouTuber and influencer and stuff like that, and she reads a lot, and she recommended this book. It's 1,000 out of 10. I've never read a book like this. It's like a murder mystery. It was so good. It needs to be like a movie. It's that good. Anyways, I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you're looking for a good book, you like a thriller, a mystery, I've never read anything like that, and this was my first book. And now, well, Verity was kind of like that by Colleen Hoover, but this was completely different. A psychological thriller, and I highly recommend this if you want to get into reading. I read this extremely quick. I think I read it within like 4 days, just at bed and stuff, because it's that good. You'll like want to be flying through it. So I'll give more detail in the book recap. I don't really want to give too much away, so I'll share that for the book, or I'll save that for the book recap. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, if you're looking for a book, this is 1,000,000 stars. It's so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna get working on my laptop. Tuba is here with me, and I kind of have quite a bit to do, so I'll be on my computer for most of the day. I'll check in with you guys if anything fun and exciting happens. So Brianna made a new recipe today, and what do you call it?
It's called sagaloo. I could be pronouncing it wrong, but it's like tomato curry.
Right, and it's got spinach, onions, and then roasted potatoes in there as well, and then white rice, classic. The only thing is, like, why did we forget garlic naan?
Yeah,
I don't know, but this is gonna be really good.
Mm-hmm.
what's up, y'all? It's obviously nighttime. It's probably like what, 8:30 or so, 9-ish, and I just got showered, ready for bed. And I honestly didn't really vlog a lot today. I was kind of, the past couple days, that I just feel like I've been doing a lot of work, and then we've had a lot of things going on maintenance wise, like at the house with our management. So, but yeah, they've been working on things because the people that actually own our place are selling the property, and so we've had like city inspections, and like now they're doing a bunch of repairs, and on top of that we have been out of AC since Saturday, so hence why the fans are blasting. But there's just been a lot of people like in and out of the house, so I haven't really spent that much time chatting with you guys. But we made dinner. We had leftovers of the curry, and then I made some tea, and we've just kind of been relaxing for the evening. And I spent a lot of the day working on my computer. We went for a walk before dinner and stuff. Hulu actually has been like really weird. The last few episodes of Love Island haven't been releasing on Hulu, which like really sucks, because if you guys been watching the new season of Love Island UK, you know it's so good right now. And I'm so sad because it's nearing the end, and I don't know what's up. Like, there's just, the episodes aren't playing. I saw something on TikTok of someone saying it was with the performance done by Rita Ora or something like that contractually. Who knows? But oh, and this morning when we went to ship off the Depop, we stopped at the DMV for the second try, and again the DMV said I needed more documentations, and I don't have a social security card. I do, but I don't have it, and one of my parents has it, and I honestly don't know if they know where it's at. Mom and Dad, if you have it, great, thank you. But I'm just gonna go in and request a new one down at the Department of Social Security. So I had everything together, and I had all these documents, but then I had my passport, and I thought that that would be sufficient, but they were like, no, you need a social security card also, and plus it's probably just best that I get one that I can keep. I mean, I'm turning 30 and I need to have those sort of things on me, so I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow morning and then go to the BMV and get my license, so that can be all squared away. But I'm starting a new book tonight. I actually started it this afternoon. I took a little break and was reading. It's The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, and it seems like a really quick read, like 200 and like 50 pages or something like that. I'm already really enjoying it, and I'm eager to see how the next chapters dive into the topic. So I'm going to be filming a book monthly recap this weekend of all the books that I read in the month of July, and I read some of the best books this month. So I always do that every month, and it's linked in the description for you guys. I have been like literally in my reading girl era. I've read so many books this year, and I'm actually really proud of myself. So I'm excited to film that this weekend, and check it out if you're looking for some book inspo. But I'm just gonna lay in bed, read, and relax. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's like 9 a.m. and I just made a little bit of breakfast. I started laundry, but I've been loving this Canon, I think that's the brand, Canon gluten-free bread, and then avocado with salt, pepper, a little bit of lemon, and then onion and tempeh bacon, and it's actually really delicious. You guys saw me I've been making this every day. I've been trying to have gluten-free the past like week or so. I've had some digestive issues since I got back from Florida. Sorry, the windows are open. AC still isn't fixed, obviously, from last night. They're supposed to come today, so fingers crossed. But yeah, yeah, I've had some digestive things going on, and so I'm just trying to eat a little bit more of like a simple diet in order to try to get my stomach back on track. And I'm taking like a couple supplements and things like that, but so far so good. Like the past couple days I have been feeling a lot better, so I think I just needed a reset. But also having my matcha lemonade, I put a napkin under here because it like condensates so much and I don't want it to leak onto Bree's desk. But it looks like it might rain again today. We had a crazy storm last night, but I sold another Depop item, so that's on the agenda. Going to the Social Security, Department of Social Security today. I probably won't make it to the DMV today, or BMV, but I'll go tomorrow, so then I'll have everything together. And then I just have some work to do. But today is Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. Hi. Wanna come here? Just dropped off the Depop. Look who's with me. I also was able to get my Social Security card. Well, they have to mail it, but I was able to get that done. So getting a lot checked off my list today. And guys, they fixed the AC.
Oh, thank God.
Now we can sleep like babies. I'm so excited.
I know, me too. We just finished that delicious meal. I'm actually gonna take this little probiotic. I'll show you guys what I've been taking. These, I did a lot of research. You need a certain bacteria that works well for digestive issues. So it's like lactobacillus. So I just made sure that it had certain strands in there that are healthy for my gut, building back the enzymes in my belly. So yeah, I've been taking that and drinking a tummy tea, and it has been feeling good so far, and just trying to stay as gluten-free and like low dairy as possible. And obviously, like, it's not for perfection, so you know, but I've been feeling really good. And anyways, look what we're gonna make for dessert. Brownies. Almond flour brownies, and we don't have eggs. You can make chia seeds into eggs, replacing for baking, because when you add them with water, they get gelatinized, just like an egg. So I'm excited, and we also got ice cream. I'll show you. Are you excited, honey?
Super excited. Cashew ice cream. Alright you guys, hi. It's Friday, it's like 2:30 p.m. I really haven't vlogged much, but I showed you guys when we went to the store earlier this morning. But we've had construction at our house today, so I obviously wasn't gonna film when people were here doing work. So I just was working on my computer most of the afternoon, and this morning I did yoga and everything. And now I'm gonna work on writing a few classes for the month of August. So I'm really excited on some of the things that I have coming for August. I always put out new flows each month. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can do some yoga classes for free. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna work on some yoga flows. Basically what I do for inspiration is sometimes I go based off of the moon phases of the month, and I'll do like a full moon phase, new moon, whatever is really going on in the universe that month. And then I take some inspirations from either a certain posture, a certain feeling, whatever is really coming to me and inspiring me. I'll use that as the central focus of the class and then blossom it all from there. So I'm gonna get started and get working, and you can kind of see my creative process. Also, I wanted to show you my cute little OOTD. My sister just gave me these little Nike shorts, and they have a cute little like drawstring. If I can find these online for you guys, I'll link them. And then just a high neck black crop top. And then this is a oversized Lululemon scuba zip-up hoodie. Just casual vibes. It's rainy today. I hope that the sun gets out because I want to go spend some time out in nature with Bree. So fingers crossed that it clears up. Yeah. We went on a walk, then we showered, obviously, had dinner, and now we're eating brownies, the almond brownies that we made last night, and cashew ice cream. Ooh. We're watching Love Island UK.
You know it.
You know it, but I just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here and for being you. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
That's so freaking nice.
Say bye.
See ya.
See ya.